So we are discuss about the emulsifying agent, right? From this, the emulsifying agent, it is a requirement of emulsion, right? That is formulation of emulsion. So from various portion from the emulsifying agent we already studied, right? So as I said, just take a overlook. Emulsifying agent, that is essential additives. It is a essential additives reduce the interfacial tension between two phase, either it is liquid or aqueous phase, right? And make them immiscible to miscible, right? And form a stable kind of emulsion. So emulsifying agent also known as emulgent and emulsifier also, right? So as I said, that is various kind of emulsifying agent are available in market, right? And become it is become very difficult to select the proper kind of emulsifying agent due to availability of large number, availability in a large number, right? So we know that is one single kind of emulsifying agent not possess all required properties to make a stable emulsion, right? That's why we need to use the more than two emulsifying agent in the one single preparation in order to prepare a stable kind of emulsion, right? So that is the one Griffin is a one scientist who discovered the one method or one scale for calculating the balanced mixture of emulsifying agent, for the balanced mixture emulsifying agent. With the help of this scale or this method, we can easily find out the proper kind of emulsifying agent for proper type of emulsion. If we need to prepare a OW type of emulsion, that time we are going through this scale, and we will accurately or easily find out the emulsifying agent, right? If we going to prepare OW kind of, also we follow this balance and this method, right? So as I said, that is the balance, that is our method hydrophilic lipophilic balance or HLB method. This is the one method which is discovered by the Griffin. Hydrophilic lipophilic means its name itself says that is that scale contain a hydrophilic kind of emulsifying agent as well as lipophilic kind of emulsifying agent, right? Hydrophilic means water loving, that is easily dissolve in water or suitable with water or absorb the water, and lipophilic, that is absorb lipids, oils, or soluble in oils, right, and attract to the oil also. So these scale possess the 18 units. Sorry, 18 units means the scale marked with the 18 scale, up to 18 scale from the 1 to 18, right? So firstly see that is from the number 8 to 18, right, possess the hydrophilic properties of emulsifying agent and produce a OW type of emulsifying agent. Means the emulsifying agents which are arranged in between 8 to 18 has a hydrophilic nature or hydrophilic property and used to produce a OW type of emulsifying agent. Similarly, from the number 3 to 6, this emulsifying agent possess the lipophilic properties, means soluble in lipid, attract toward lipid, and or absorb the lipid, right? And used for produce the or used for prepare the OW type of emulsion. Suppose we are going to prepare a OW kind of emulsifying agent. That time we will select the emulsifying agent which are arranged in between 3 to 6 number, right? And instead of or whereas we are going to prepare a OW type of emulsion, that time for the selection of emulsifying agent, better for the good ones emulsifying agent, we going through 8 to 18 number. That is the hydrophilic nature or properties, right? OW type of emulsion means its continuous phase is a water, means water is present is large number. That time we are necessary to choose the emulsifying agent which are soluble with the water, right? And in WO type of emulsion as a continuous phase, it is present in a large amount. That's why we need to choose the those emulsifying agent which is suitable for lipid, right, or soluble in lipid or oil, that is from 3 to 6, right, 3 to 6. So this is the basic information regarding the our scale, that is HLB scale or hydrophilic lipophilic balance, and this balance discovered by the Griffin. So don't forget this name, and this is the Griffin, he is the scientist, right? This name or this scientist is very popular, he is very popular, and also some entrance exam also this questionnaire may be asked. That's why you need to remember it carefully, right? So have a look on the scale. See, this is the HLB scale or HLB method, liquid hydrophilic lipophilic balance. Let's see this is the scale, right? So it contains the hydrophilic, that is water soluble emulsifying agent. Then in the bottom, that is the hydrophilic, that is oil soluble substance, right, means oil soluble substance, and in between the hydrophilic and hydrophobic. So it says that is hydrophilic means water soluble, and hydrophobic means opposite to water, that is oil soluble. It's also called as lipophilic, right? Lipophilic or hydrophobic are similar. Hydrophobic means does not soluble in water, that is a hydrophilic. So there is a hydrophobic means phobia. Phobia is a fear. Phobia means fear, right? Phobia is a Greek word, that is phobia means a fear, right? Hydrophobic, but the substance are fear to the water, means does not soluble or does not attract or does not absorb the water, are substance called oil soluble substance, right, or hydrophobic substance. Now hydrophilic means the substance which attract the water, absorb the water, or soluble in water, right? And in between this hydrophilic and lipophilic or hydrophobic, there is a one portion, that is water dispersible. Water dispersible means the substance which are not soluble in water or also not soluble in oil are only dispersed or distribute into the water. Does not soluble in water, does not soluble in oil, but it is only dispersed or distribute throughout the water for the sufficient time, right? Understand? Are you understand? Right? Hydrophilic, water soluble, water dispersible, and what hydrophobic, that is oil soluble. Means this scale in its left side, it is divided into three part, that is hydrophilic part, water dispersible, and hydrophobic part, that is oil soluble, right? And in its right side there is a arrangement of our emulsifying agent, various type of emulsifying agent and various kind of emulsifying agent, and this emulsifying agent, it has their unique properties, right? It has a unique properties. So let's see this scale numbered with a, right, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, right, as we saw already, that is the hydrophilic, in which the emulsifying agent arranged with a number of on HLB scale, divided into 18 unit, right? So let's see, this is divided into 8 unit, right, from 0, afterwards 0, 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, right? so you understand it, right? So let's see, from this line, that is a 6, from this 6 means 0 to 6, those are the substance which are arranged with a number with on from the 0 to 6 have a property like hydrophobic, means oil soluble property, means lipophilic substance are arranged between the 0 to 8, 0 to 8, right? Means let's see, WO kind of emulsifying agent, then anti-foaming agent, right? Anti-foaming agent, these are the OW kind of emulsifying agent, then anti-foaming agent. It has a lipophilic properties. It has a lipophilic property, means WO kind of emulsifying agent and anti-foaming agent are easily soluble with the oil, or absorb oil or attract the oil, right? And from the 6 or 7, from the 7 to 10, 6 to 10, those are falls under the 6 to 10 number, are shows the water dispersible nature property, or those substance or those emulsifying agent falls under the number from 6 to 10 are possess water dispersible properties. See, like some portion from the OW kind of emulsifying agent and wetting agent and spreading agent, and some portion from the OW kind of emulsifying agent are shows the water dispersible property, water dispersible property, right? Or shows the water dispersible property. So some agent from the OW kind of emulsifying agent and some agent from the OW type of emulsifying agent and WO type of emulsifying agent and wetting and spreading agent has a property like a water dispersible, means this substance not soluble in water, they only distribute throughout the water, right? Throughout the water, not right, not soluble, only distribute or dispersed into a water. That's why it's called as a wetting and spreading agent. So spreading agent and wetting agent shows the water dispersible property. That's why it is fall or arrange between the 6 to 10 number, right? Then afterward, some portion from the OW kind of emulsifying agent, detergent and solubilizing agent. These agent possess the hydrophilic properties, means water soluble property. OW kind of emulsifying agent, then detergent and solubilizing agent are dissolve in a water or soluble in a water or absorb the water or attract toward the water also, right? You know the detergent, our detergent means our home use, it is a one detergent we are generally use the Gadi detergent, right? So these is detergent contain the this kind of emulsifying detergent contain this kind of agent, water soluble agent. Our detergent are simply, if we put it into a water, they will easily dissolve or easily distribute, right? Then some solubilizing agent also, solubilizing agent, that is a propylene glycol, polyethylene glycol, glycerin. So these are the name of our solubilizing agent, right? Solubilizing agent means the agent which help to dissolve the unsoluble or insoluble substance into the water, right? Means suppose we have one drug that is not soluble in water, but we need to prepare it with a water, prepare in a water. That time we are necessary to add a solubilizing agent. For the solubilizing for the solubilization of that insoluble substance into a water, we are going to use a soluble